Ready to make some lines with 3D pen? Just rest your pen on the surface and drag. Let the line flow out of the pen. Always pull the line. Never push it in the direction you are drawing, or you will get a messy, thick line with a groove in it. If you need to cross another line, just drag over it. And if you need longer lines super straight, you can use a metal ruler, like with any other pen. If you need to run across more than 2 lines, it can get a bit messy. So you may need to start from that point and work outward to avoid building a big plastic bump in the center. As the design gets denser, you start to need to cross way too many lines that are in the way. And at that point, it may be easier to just land on the surface at the anchor points only, and otherwise hold the pen just ever so slightly off the surface in the air, so you are not bumping to your previous lines all the time. You don't have to finish the whole shape all in one go. Just draw only as much as feels comfortable, and stop, and then reposition your project to reach it better. Drawing smaller pieces and spinning the project often will help you avoid that problem of going in the wrong direction, pushing into your line, that we talked about earlier. Just make sure you do land at all the anchor points where you need the lines to securely attach to each other, or you will have random pieces of the design fall off later, because just resting the line on top of each other won't attach them securely enough. Where you want them stuck together, you need to make sure you land there. When you are done, let it cool completely before you remove it, or you may bend it or distort it. Peel it off the surface with either a thin spatula or some knife. Palette knives work well for this. Now assemble the 2 smaller snowflakes on each side, and you are done with your first project, the snowflake.